Hello ma'am, sir, good day. I am Anali Gabukumapang, 40 years old. I am married and have two kids. I have 17 years old daughter and 11 years old son. I live in Puerto Princesa City, Palawan, Philippines. I finished my degree of Bachelor of Science in Agricultural Business in Western Philippines University back 2006. My weight is 50 kilos and my height is 5'1". I am honest, patient, hardworking, trustworthy, good listener, and willing to learn more things. I am a domestic worker in Kuwait from February 2022 to May 2024. My work there is to took care of 3 kids, 12 years old boy, 8 years old boy, and 3 years old girl. And also I did cooking, ironing, washing, and cleaning. I decided to apply in Hong Kong because first, it's near to my country. Second, it's cheaper than to Middle East. Third, the salary is higher. And lastly, I have my sister working there. Ma'am, sir, if you decide to choose me as your helper, I will try to fulfill the task that you give to me to the best I can. Thank you and God bless. Ma'am, sir, I know a little bit song for baby. I have two hands, the left and the right. Hold them up high, so clean and bright. Clap them softly, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see. Thank you.